because I actually brought my actual camera. Normally I'm just using my phone because I'm too lazy to have the camera battery charged and bring it. It's not your typical YouTuber style vlog camera. It's definitely more of like a sit down camera just because it's kind of big. I'm filming a teacher outfit of the week right now. And I'm also filming my, like, what I spend in a week, trying to stay under $100 budget, which, by the way, I don't think I'm going to make it for this very first video. I don't think it's going to happen, but there's always next week. I'm just going to keep it up until I have the car paid off. So this is kind of going to be a teacher vlog, but I'm going to do more of like organizational things. Like, I'm already talking about my outfits. I'm already talking about what I eat. So I don't need to have like a full-on teacher vlog. And I never have time to talk about actual classroom stuff until after school anyways. And after school, I'm generally just organizing and cleaning things up in my classroom right now because we have 22 days left until summer. I have my last, it's called an ISP, tomorrow actually, before I have volleyball practice, and that'll be really quick, like a 10-minute meeting and a quick write-up, and then I'll be done with paperwork for the rest of the year. And my curriculum is all together. Like, I have really nothing big to be preparing after school. And I like to stay here till like 4:30. So I have a good hour and a half every single day after school where I just want to be like organizing and purging and making my teacher life better for next year. So today we are starting with my sound partner stuff. I actually started this Friday and then quickly realized I did not have enough manila folders. So yesterday after work, I picked up 50 of these. If you're not familiar with sound partners, it's pretty structured, I would say. So you start with like a typical sound that you're learning in the lesson, and these are all sounds that you previously heard. And then they start introducing, in the earlier levels, it's all just CVC words that go along with the letters and the sounds that the students have learned. And then it does a new sight word every single lesson, and then it incorporates past sight words, and then it has a couple of simple decodable sentences based on what the kids have read. And then there is a little book that you're supposed to read based off of that lesson too. And my problem is, I used to have a lot of the little books that they call for, like my set one. I had 5 of the one set book because when you start sound partners, you're usually in the beginning level, and so there's only like 10 books in that beginning first set. So like the second set has 12, but I'm pretty sure this one is 10. If I really wanted to know, I could count it, but I don't want to. But anyways, I've come to the discovery. I have one kid on like lesson 16, and I have 2 right now that are in 29. And the books pretty much change every single lesson once you get into the farther lesson. Say I'm looking for the book Up Pup, I'll open this box. Yeah, maybe Up Pup is in here, but I also might have a bunch of other things that don't belong. So when I was going through those initial first 12, these ones all didn't go in the boxes that they were in. And then if I'm in a group of 2 kids and I'm hunting through these looking for the book I want, when if I would just put it in a file folder with the book name on it, it would make my life a lot easier. And storage wise, these little boxes, yeah, they're small, but when you have 20 of these little boxes, it takes up a lot of unnecessary space. So today's task is to go through all of the sound partner Bob books and reorganize it. And so most of this, I'm just gonna fast forward, and I hope that my phone doesn't die. So cross your fingers with me, and I'll see you after I'm done with the fast forward.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
So here we have our empty boxes. Here we have the books that are actually referenced in the actual curriculum teacher manual. It does, however, go way to the end, and then it starts talking about chapter books, which I don't know if that's an actual book or if it's something from a new Sound Partner series with the Bob books. But I have 4 sets of books that aren't mentioned in here, and these are just like bigger versions of books that are similar to these green ones, but they're not. Like, there's Sam, there's Matt, there's Sam, and then it just goes to Dot, like, and it says collection 6, but it's the same simple words. So I don't know if it's just extra, but yeah, none of this is mentioned in the curriculum. So I don't know what order they should be or what I want to do with them yet. Okay, I am absolutely someone who buys cute things that are on clearance, so I guarantee you I probably bought these for like 50 cents several years ago, and I've just had them in that little blue container right there that has all my empty like file folders and notebooks and folders and stuff. And hey, look, it came in handy. So I've got 5 of these. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each little category will have its own area because these are different than the other ones. I'm just going to decide where I think it can go, and then the kids can just pick the book out of that category they want. So then normally, because our heater is broken, I've just had it sitting over there on top of the heater until it gets fixed. Otherwise, depending on who's using it, it's either always in my room or sometimes it's in the interventionist room and I have to go get it. But for now, it just chills over there on that heater. So, when I pack this up in the summer, this big bundle of books will go on top and then the binder would fit in there. But because I'm using this binder like every single day, I just set it on top like that. And I use our foundation's tile boards. Like, well, this one must have got dropped. For this portion when we're supposed to be spelling, because we fiddle around with our dry erase board markers and we spend way too much time. So I'd rather just use our tile boards. Much quicker and efficient. So that's our little Sound Partners organization video of the day. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.